sure you're doing the right thing?
I really don't care. All I know is that I love you and I'm going to spend the rest of my life with you. My father wants me to suffer, that's why he threw me out of the palace. So I will go suffer and then come crawling to beg him, but no! I don't care what it takes me, I will stick to you.
Let's go to my house. My mother will gladly welcome us.
No. I don't want us to go to your house. I don't want us to go anywhere they can trace us. I want us to go far, far away to another land. If we go to your house, they might locate us. I have a friend from Umuaji Kingdom. I think he can be of help.
Umuaji?
Yes.
Umuaji is very, very far from here.
The more reason we have to start going now before it gets dark.
I don't have any money, but I have your honey. That's alright for me. That's alright for me. I would rather be by myself than be with someone else. I have given you my heart, and we will never part. I love you and you love me.
I had a nice time, huh? So, when are you going back to the palace?
Since Mama is okay now, I should be going back, let's say tomorrow.
That's nice. Well, I'll be going back to school now. As soon as we're on vacation, I'll be back to the palace. Okay? What is it?
Okay. Just I'm going to miss you.
I'll miss you too, okay? Alright, come here. Come here, my darling. I'll see you soon, okay? Come on, take care of Mama. Take care of Mama.
Oh no, there, make you shit me and shit now. Shit fast, show.
Hello, sweetheart.
Baby, I'm fine. How are you doing? How's Abuja?
I'm fine. It's just that I'm missing you.
I miss you more. You're still in Abuja?
Yeah, I'm still in Abuja. Do you know I missed my flight?
Onyeda. Mias.
Jesus is Lord. There is God, though.
Hello?
Yeah, baby.
Hello, baby? Hello?
I'm still in Abuja. I'll be coming back first thing tomorrow morning.
Oh my God. Babe, I can't wait to see you.
Yeah, sweetheart. I have some issues here. Can you please give my driver 70,000 to fix down my car? Because I'm having some problems with my app.
That's not a problem. There's something I'd like to tell you. I think you should change this car.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Don't worry, we'll talk about it when you're back from Abuja. Promise me.
Oh, I'm so grateful, sweetheart. You are a darling.
I miss you. All right.
All right, take care of yourself.
All right, take care.
Boy.
Afa, what did the shankers they talk?
Boy.
Oh boy.
And they get new car. She go arrange new car for me.
Oh boy. You miss it, the shekels won't buy us new ride.
Good there now. You dey learn work. Now I might tell you say I dey teach you work. Eh? You go dey mumu like wetin I no know. See am now, my work don't pay. It don't pay.
See. Ejiro, calm down, calm down. Lock up like Jacob. Which one? Now what be your own now? Sure. See, make I yarn you something no. Now because no be sounds I be speak English. Now because of say your weight and your belly, now make we give you this contract too. If not, I be speak English.
It dey easy to get belly. If no be my belly and the body where I get, I for arrange this job.
Bear waiting. Belly? No belly, I'm bare. See, Ejiro, make I tell you something. Forget that thing when you dey talk. Oh. No be banga soup and starch full inside the belly.
Keep quiet. Don't they talk too much. I dey teach you work. You dey talk to me anyhow. See, go bath na eh? Bath na. You dey go palace, go collect 70K for the arrangement of the imaginary car repair. Hey.
Oh boy! See may I yarn you something Yeah. If no be say now you went talk say make I go bath. If no be him, I would like to remove like this. Man just go there go
Lord of God. No even try am. I dey talk say you dey smell. You can't go again. Can't join the. I beg. You want make my job now? I beg go there. Collect. You go inside room. Collect that air freshener. Rub for your armpit. Begin the waka. Go immediately. I beg.
Which air freshener? Air freshener when I finish the last 2 weeks. Igbi. Just there. They deceive yourself. See, make I tell you, go see that air freshener dey safe. I no go spray am. That thing dey smell like wetin they spray for dead body.
Oh, you get bad mouth. Oh yeah, go now, go. I don't hear. You too talk.
See, Ejiro, may I see you another matter. Ochuko say he wan collect that shirt today. Say me I return am.
We no say we borrow shirt. See, wetin you go happen now? Just go this one first. Go this one. Even Kukuma collect body spray from her. You know now.
Na legit matter be that.
I tell you.
Ajiwe, wosu water.
Hey, see how 70K just man. They say that they use juju do Yahoo. No be juju now. No be mouth. Hey, oh boy.
I don't have any money, but I have your honey. That's alright for me. That's alright for me. I would rather be by myself than be with someone else. I have given you my heart, and we will never part. I love you and you love me. That's all that matters. I need you and you need me. That's all that matters. I don't care what you are. I don't care what they say. We'll survive whatever may come our way. Love is all that matters.
Anyone here?
We will make it through. Love is all that matters. Just me and you. Love is all that matters.
Nnamdi. Uchenna. This one you came. Ha. Hope all is well. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Well, I've heard all he said, but you cannot stay here. I have somewhere else you will stay.
You do?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Uchenna.
You're welcome.
I don't know what my wife and I would have done without you.
You don't have to worry. Let's go and see the place.
Right away? Okay then.
It's my grandmother's house. Since my grandmother died, nobody has been living in it. You people can live here for now until we get a better place.
Thank you. You don't know what you have done for us. You have proven to be a good friend, and my wife and I, we appreciate this.
Me too. God bless you.
Bless you too. Like I told you, the people of this kingdom, what they do for a living is farming. And that's what I do to take good care of my family too. You can join me if you don't mind.
Of course I will. In fact, I want to, because as we speak, we don't even have money to feed.
All right then. Tomorrow, if I'm going to work, I'll come and call you.
No, you don't even need to come. We'll just get up early and then come meet you at the house.
All right, no problem.
All right, thank you very much. Yeah? Tomorrow, God bless you. All right.
If I can see you enjoying the food.
Princess, who be that chancless when carry this child come now? That babe, now when carry this child, that babe is sweet, that be ripe. Sweet.
You're very funny. So how are you enjoying the meal?
Princess, this food sweet dry. How the food legit?
When is your boss coming back?
Princess, the legit matter now be say, I just dey, understand? I dey wait. You get? So once you just be me like this, I just go born, go dey wait. Once I just get to control airport, I go pick am.
Wow. All right. That's the money. That's 100,000 naira.
I talk am because the money fat.
30,000 naira for yourself, then 70,000 naira to fix up the car.
Everywhere good.
Why not sell the car or give it out?
Say, Princess, my boss no dey carry anything wey be gift dey play. Anything wey G follow, man can carry dey play. You see that car? What you just make we say now? Na the mille when he born in Mali, na I give am that car as gift.
Hey, what do you mean by Gile?
No be Gile, mille. Mille when he born my boss Mali.
Oh,
I give her the car.
you mean the grandmother?
Your head and your neck. See, na the grandmother na give her as gift. But why I be say una sef, any small thing na go dey jump, any small thing wey we just talk here now, carry her dey go English, Who English don help? Who English help?
Hey, it's okay. Just enjoy your meal.
See, make I tell you, if you call my boss bunk, he bunk, he like he old man bunk. If you want, you wish you old man bunk like this.
If you calm down, bunkry, I don't get it.
No, be bunkry. Caban, crab.
Caban.
Crab. That's my oga, okay. Papa Caban.
You're okay. The father's house.
Yes. The father house, just as you talk am. But wetin we know am for na bunk. If you come there, you'll see different cars. Range Rover Sport, ordinary Range Rover, Lamborghini, Bugatti. Every car dey there, everything dey the compound, but you know they ride those ones because those ones no be gift. Now this one now, when you just say make we go hail am out, so this one now, when you say make we hail out, now be the car when you say dash.
What? Just continue with your meal.
No problem.
Okay.
Mingo.
Boy. So, this money don't come now.
Bros, what if she can't call you? Call ask you say where you dey, all those kind of matter. Wetin you go talk? Because wetin I yarn her for palace just now be say once I don fix the car like this, I begin dey fly, dey come airport, come pick you.
That one no be problem. No be me get format. Let me get format now. When that time reach, I go throw a format now. Trust me now. See, wetin I go talk for this mouth, Take am easy. You too dey rush drink. I no know this free money will come now. You don't dey rush your drink. See, as I dey tell you, that day I go still through another format. Tell am say, my grandfather don't die. No be say my grandfather never die you. You don't die you. You understand? That one no be problem now. Trust me. All this now why they tell you say no they talk too much. Ta 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 ta. This thing na brain. If you watch me, I know they talk too much.
Leave am like that. I like myself like that. Monkey not fine, but him mama like him. Monkey not fine, but him mama like him. See, bros, na real matter be that. You see that matter na legit matter. You understand? Once you just hear and say like this, say grandpile don't pef, you don't kick bucket, say we need money to buy caskets, we'll buy canopy, we'll buy chairs. If people will come the better say go chop rice, so we go cool.
How you carry know wetin dey my mind?
My head dey my neck now.
Now, since I know you, know this thing na the best talk where you don't talk. I dey tell you. You don't dey learn, oh. You don't dey learn.
For you. Which one? Now for you. Why you call the talk matter when not legit now? Bro, not the yarn like that. See, make I tell you something, bros. I get sense, so. Otherwise, I just dey lock up like Jacob.
Down.
Understand? Bros, calm down now. Calm down like calm down.
See, no
lock up.
You don't know anything. Go school. Go school. If you go to school as a youth, don't go open now. As I dey get this brain now, you go to get am.
Bros,
you know.
School. Who school help? Bros, forget that one. School na scam. They use that to chop our money. Street they pay. Not be CBN.
You say school na scam.
Na scam.
Hi.
Na scam. See, bro, based on as it be now, money don't come. Ride go soon come as you promise. Once I come, our next target now na house, caban.
Exactly. We go come up from here now. Here no be house now.
Abi?
See where person dey. Because say things dey like this. I know my worth.
And as it be like this now, once I enter worry, worry go shake. See, market road go hear am, Egberi Koko go hear am, say I don arrive.
Wait. With how much? With
50k now.
With this stipend, with this money, this change. Hi. All these things why they teach you, you know they use this your head. How you go use 50k? Go they flex, they give people, they share.
Bros, why you dey preach for me like Jehovah's Witness now? Sure. Bros, lock up like Jacob. See, make I tell you, bros, you don't even know the real matter. The real matter be say once I just give money this CBN, now I just give 3 or 4 of my babes. The remaining one I go use and transport come back.
See, where I from know you?
A full roundabout.
A full roundabout.
And then you for know me. Bros, I bet me I go give him Ochuko shoe. All gonna do don't collect the cab for road just now. You know how Ochuko matter they be. I know they fit for all this any matter. May I return so that next time, if we ask him, he will fit still give us. See,
may I tell you, man, the advice why I go tell you last, come on 1,000, even if not 1,000, buy boxers and singlet. No try wear my boxers again, no.
Bros, look here, see how much your times. No, see, I did for your head. Bros, now women first. Forget boxers.
Now women first.
Look up now. How much your pints?
This boy. Hi.
Where is the queen?
Your Highness.
Yes.
She's upstairs. She refused to come downstairs.
Why?
I don't know, Your Highness.
Where in upstairs is she?
She's in her room.
Okay. Lolo, why did you refuse to join me at the dining table? What is the problem?
Why should I dine with the man who is heartless enough to disown his own son?
The man who is heartless enough to disown his own child. Let me tell you something. Any child that disobeys his parents must be punished. Your son disobeyed me, and what is happening to him is the punishment for it.
I don't have any money, but I have your honey. That's alright for me.
Uchenna. Good morning.
Did you sleep at all?
We did.
We did. Good morning.
Good morning. I can see you're ready for the work.
Yes, we are.
Oh, good. But you can't farm with these same clothes. I'll give you something else to wear. Just come inside. Let me give you something else to wear. Yeah.
I don't care what you are, I don't care what they say, we'll survive whatever may come our way. Love is all that matters.
My daughter, give this to your father, eh? Tell him I appreciate everything.
My daughter, we will miss you a whole lot. This palace will always be open for you, meaning you're always welcomed.
I know, and I appreciate everything. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, my dear. You're welcome.
Thank you, my queen.
Thanks, my love.
I'm grateful.
You're welcome.
Be very careful, okay?
What are you doing here all alone?
I'm worried.
Worried? Worried about what?
Vivian. I'm worried about Vivian. You know she's the only one that's been taking care of my mother medication since ever. And I'm not happy that she's leaving. I don't know what to do.
Informa, we all are not happy either. But I think her leaving is for good. Come on.
Okay, you know, I don't know what to do. I don't know.
Informa, it's okay. Your mother will be fine. Nothing will happen to her. Okay?
Just pray so.
She'll be fine. See, you have to go and finish up what you were doing before the queen comes out and see you here. Come on.
Nnamdi, come and rest and drink water.
Rest, what?
Eh? We must not finish this work today.
No. We have to finish this work today. I need to earn money to feed. We don't have anything. If you're tired, you can go and rest. No problem. I'll rest when the job is done.
Nanda, I never knew you have this kind of strength. Eh? With this kind of strength you have, I think I will get more farmland for you.
Biko, if you see any other one, don't hesitate to let me know. We are willing to work, oh? Anyone. Ngwan.
But I have you, honey, that's alright for me. That's alright for me. I would rather be by myself than be with someone else. I have given you my heart, and we will never part. I love you and you love me. That's all that matters. I need you when you need me. That's all that matters. I don't care what you are. I don't care what they say. We'll survive whatever may come our way. Love is all that matters. We will make it through. Love is all that matters. Just me and you. Love is all that matters.
Dad, you disowned your own son, your flesh and blood, the crown prince of this kingdom, simply because he insisted on marrying a girl he is in love with. That's unfair. Huh?
Ebuka, I am happy you said the crown prince of this kingdom. Ebuka, if you know what fair means, you should be able to consider what the crown prince of this kingdom did by bringing in a nobody, a low blood, an outsider for a wife. You will not tell me whether his action was fair or unfair.
Dad, you're not supposed to choose for your children who to marry or who not to marry. This is 21st century, for crying out loud. Please.
My princess, this is your father. I know what is good for all of you, my children. I never chose for him who to marry. Your brother came in here and introduced the girl to me. No royal blood, not known anywhere, just an ordinary person. And I said, no, you are a prince. People started begging your mother up and down, everybody. I said, okay, fine. Go and bring her home. In the process of bringing her home, the girl turned out to be an outcast.
An outcast?
Yes.
I don't have any money, but I have you, honey. That's alright for me. That's alright for me. I would rather be by myself than be with someone else. I have given you my heart, and we will never part. I love you and you love me. That's all that matters. I need you when you need me. That's all that matters. I don't care what you are. I don't care what they say. We'll survive whatever may come our way. Love is all that matters. We will make it through. Love is all that matters. Just me and you. Love is all that matters.
Good morning, my queen. Haven't I been patient enough for you and your daughter? Why won't your daughter allow my son to come home?
My queen, the way you are looking for your son is the same way I'm looking for my daughter. I don't know where your son took my daughter to. I've not set my eyes on them. I was even planning to come to the palace to ask your son about my daughter. But fear wouldn't allow me.
I won't be this nice when next I come here. I want my son back in one piece.
Someone else, I have given you my heart, and we will never part. I love you and you love me. That's all that matters. I need you and you need me. That's all that matters. I don't care what you are, I don't care what they say. We'll survive whatever may come our way. Love is all that matters. We will make it through. Love is all that matters, just me and you. Love is all that matters. I love you and you love me. That's all that matters. I need you and you need me. That's all that matters. I don't care what you are, I don't care what they say. We'll survive whatever may come our way. Love is all that matters. We will make it through. Love is all that matters. Just me and you. Love is all that matters. Love is all that matters. I don't have any money, but I have you, honey. That's alright for me. That's alright for me. I would rather be by myself than be with someone else. I have given you my heart, and we will never part. I love you and you love me. That's all that matters. I need you and you need me. That's all that matters. I don't care what you are, I don't care what they say. We'll survive whatever may come our way. Love is all that matters. We will make it through. Love is all that matters. Just me and you. Love is all that matters. I love you and you love me. That's all that matters. I need you and you need me.
Daniel,
That's all that
are you saying that for the past 1 week, you've not set your eyes on our daughter?
I have not seen them all. I've gone in search of her everywhere.
That means maybe she has gone to stay with some of her friends in the university.
No, I don't even know any of her friends. You know our daughter now. She barely have friends.
We have to go to the Royal Palace to find out if she's there.
No. The queen came looking for her son here. If they are there, she wouldn't have come. And
Yeah. I'm confused. If she's not in the palace, where else she could be?
I don't know. I don't know where to get my daughter.
Hey. Yeah, you're welcome, my prince. Somebody called me and told me that he saw a vehicle drove into my compound.
Yes, actually, we're looking for my brother, the crown prince.
Your brother, the prince? He's not here. And we're also looking for our daughter.
Okay, what about her mom?
She traveled.
Any idea when she'll be back?
Not at all. No idea. No idea.
Very well then. We'll have to be on our way. Let me know if anything comes up.
Thank you.
I don't have any money, but I have you, honey. That's alright for me. That's alright for me. I would rather be by myself than be with someone else. I have given you my heart, and we will never part. I love you and you love me. That's all that matters. I need you when you need me. That's all that matters. I don't care what.
Snacks! Come.
Snacks.
How much?
50 naira.
Which one like this?
Check the expiring date. Now confirm. Now yesterday I buy them.
Still how much?
50 naira.
Bros, let's say all these things.
Snapchat dey there. The number dey there.
There's 5 people.
You never expire, bros. Bros, do my sell market. Do my sell market.
Do rather give you 100 naira.
No, I know they said 300 naira. Na 150.
Bros, give me 300 naira.
Bros, do my sell market. Time no dey.
Last time I buy for Sapele. Go buy Coke one for me.
Big one or small one?
Big one, everything don't change. Right for one.
Welcome.
Food is ready.
Let's go eat.
Yeah, this is good though. You people did a great job.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See here, my father has a farmland close to the Orashi River, and he wants you people to come and clear it tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no. Tomorrow I won't have chance. I've already promised Mama Ejike that I'm coming tomorrow to clear her farmland. So I can't make it tomorrow. But you don't have to worry. My friend and the wife, they'll be here to do the job for you.
Your friend, Kwa? Ha. Wow.
They're even the reason we finished this farmland today. He's a very strong man, no? He's very strong. Don't mind this. Ah, leave this one. He's a very strong man, no?
Two of us.
There is no problem. Meanwhile, $5,000.
Thank you. It's complete. Thank you.
I will be expecting you people tomorrow. Oh, yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi. Dalulo.
Sweetheart, you know that business is about $2 billion. I personally have spent $500 million. That is what it has engulfed from me.
Awesome. $900 million, sir.
Oh, my boy. That is why I take you around. You are too conversant with records.
I chop wish.
Sweetheart, don't mind me. You know, too many figures.
Guards, seize these two idiots.
Ose, I don't have face.
What's the meaning of this? Hey!
Where you, Aboki?
Hey!
You not clear. Where you don't fight for your crisis? I beg.
What's the meaning of this? Come on. The meaning of this? You are embarrassing me. Come on. Wait, hold on. Come on, move. Hey, calm down.
Take him away.
Your Highness, move, come on. Remember, I'm the grandson of Nana. Even at the grave, he will not be happy.
Take him away.
What's going on?
I said, get inside.
Your Highness, are you aware of this? Hey!
I said, get inside.
Give me. Hey, come on. You are embarrassing me. Shut up. I'm a big boy. You're a criminal. I'm a big boy. You are embarrassing me.
I don't have any money, but I have you, honey. That's alright for me. That's alright for me.
You're not ready yet.
I don't feel well.
Your body is even hot.
What's wrong with you?
I don't feel well.
Talk to me. What's wrong with you?
I didn't see my period this past month.
What does that imply? That
I think I'm pregnant.
you're pregnant. Eh? Thank you, God. Are you for real? This is good news. Why are you sulking? Listen, okay. Henceforth, no more work for you. I'll do the work for both of us. I'll go farming. I'll do all the chores for everyone. I'll earn the money alone to just take care of you and the baby. All you need to do is sit at home, eat, rest, and sleep. This is good news. Cheer up, baby. What are you doing?
Where?
Yes. You're going to give me a baby. I'm going to be a father. You will be the mother of my baby. We're going to become parents. Can't you see it? This is good news. Ooh, wow.
Mama, Oga, I beg now. The criminal. Hey. So you won't come here and do us, Abi? No. Ayo! Bros, Nagala like the cello. Nagala. The only girl like the cello. I know they work for Shell. Hey!
You see, ever since Dad arrested your friend that came to dupe you, you've not been yourself.
But I can't explain it. I've fallen in love with him.
Love. Are you sure it's love you feel, or you're just feeling pity?
Not at all. But I loved him. Even when I'm yet to know his true identity.
Well, if you say you love him, then I suggest you follow your heart. do the right thing. Okay?
You're not getting it. He's calm. Brother, he's calm. I don't know what to do.
Don't worry. Okay? Love will always come around. Don't worry yourself. Alright?
I think so.
Chill. Chill.
Yeah, I had to come back early because I know you're not feeling fine and you might be needing my attention. How are you doing now? Good to know. Have you had something to eat?
I'm not hungry.
How can you say you're not hungry? You need to eat. Especially in this condition. You need food, okay?
Are you sure we can do this?
Yes, we can.
No, I mean, raising a child in this environment and our condition, it's not going to be easy. You know that.
Nobody said it was going to be easy, I know. But I make you this promise today that I will do everything humanly possible to make sure I take care of you and this baby and give us a better life. Let's just stay positive, okay? Now you need to eat something. Let me fix you something in the kitchen, alright?
Uche nwanne m.
And you no longer come to work. What happened? Not like I don't want to come to work, but you see, my wife has been sick lately, so I stay at home and take care of her.
Yeah, but that shouldn't stop you from coming to work. You know, women, they are prone to sickness.
I know that, but this sickness is not normal monthly sickness.
Hey! I go work. Congratulations. Okay, Kebo.
Thank you.
I go give
back. Chai! In fact, I'm no longer going to work again. Huh? We are going to Mama to this joint to drink fresh palm wine.
Palm wine and one nobi. I wanted to go and drop this at home, but you know what happened? Let's go there first.
Come. Okay.
See, Ose.
Take them easy now.
Ose, these people maga you. They maga you. Eh? Champion of worry. They maga you. If no be say, I not bring my boo come, I will just carry my boo now enter that palace. I'll first fall the OVA. Cut the hand, carry enter after. All these people maga you, Ose.
Easy now. This will not be firewood. Easy. Don't say my back they pain me.
But Ose, we try you. We break record.
You think be we? We where you leave me run. What till you come be PA for? No make me vex.
Ose, I need that first. So, are you not rugged? Ose, I'm rugged to run. No, I'm rugged to run. Champion of worry. I'm not carry last now. I chop once.
I'm very sorry, please. It's not what you think. I'm very sorry. Please forgive me. As a matter of fact, the gap is too much for both of us. The rich and the poor. Please. I apologize. Please forgive me. I love you for real.
Love is all that matters. We will make it through. Love is all that matters. Just me and you. Love is all that matters. I love you and you love me. That's all that matters. I need you and you need me. That's all that matters. I don't care what you are.
I thought I said worry not the carry last. Also,
Sorry.
you don't make us proud. You make the fool wafi proud. Just like Efe.
Efe. Efe. So fresh, so funny.
It's my brother.
I will say money there. I for just go arrange banga soup and fresh fish. Understand?
You.
Efe, you.
But you know, na no CBN na.
Don't mind him.
Everywhere good, everywhere good, everywhere good. I dey come. I dey come.
How are you?
I love you and you love me. That's all that matters. I need you and you need me. That's all that matters. I don't care what you are. I don't care what they say.
Let's start from the beginning again. Tell me about your real self.
You already know my name. I'm from Delta State. I read agro-engineering and I graduated from Abia State University 12 years ago. And since then, I've been jobless. Yeah.
It is a common thing in the country, where the rich cannot help the poor. I can understand your pain. Nana, I have loved you from the beginning. I will help you. I will help you get a job. I will talk to one or two persons on your behalf.
I really appreciate it. I really appreciate your gesture.
Come on, it's nothing.
On all the things I've done to you.
That is in the past now. Okay? Just leave it behind us.
I'm so grateful. Thank you so much.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Are you sure?
I'm happy.
Aha! Efe.
Efe? Efe's in the house.
I will talk to my dad. Yeah, to see if he can make him one of his cars in the palace.
Efe?
Yeah?
Efe is a real definition of worry no dey carry last. And even if he had, we'll play am draw.
You're very funny.
Yes. Please, Just allow Efe to go back to Warri and enjoy himself.
Is that what you want? Okay, no problem.
I'm so happy.
I'm happy.
I don't have any money, but I have your honey. That's alright for me. That's alright for me. I would rather be by myself than be with
I have not been seeing you come to the farm with your husband and his friend. I got curious. I decided to go and ask Uchenna. And then he told me you have been sick. But from what I'm saying, it's a normal sickness. How have you been coping?
I've been coping fine. Yeah, I am fine. I was sick, but I'm well now.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you for coming.
And your husband?
He's at work.
And I'm very sure your husband must be the one that told you to stop coming to the farm.
Oh, yes. It was him.
So lucky. Yes, to have such a hard-working and humble man. I keep praying that God will give me such a man when I'm getting married. Yes.
He will.
You mean?
I pray so for you.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
Anyways, I heard you were sick. So, I brought food for you.
You really shouldn't have. You shouldn't have.
Anything for you. You're my friend. So if you need anything, do not hesitate to call on me. My house is not far from yours.
Thank you. You're a good friend.
I don't have any money, but I have your honey. That's alright for me. That's alright for me. I would rather be by myself than be with someone else.
What are you doing?
I'm cooking. How was your day?
My day was good.
Welcome.
But I've told you to stop cooking. I don't want you to keep cooking in this condition. Leave the cooking for me to do.
But I can cook.
No.
Besides, you've been at work all day. I figured you'd be hungry, so I thought to cook so you have food to eat when you're back.
Hungry? Yes.
Okay.
But I'm not complaining. I can do the cooking myself, okay? Do not worry.
I can.
Don't worry. I'll do the cooking myself.
Oh, but I'm well rested now.
I said don't worry. I'll do the cooking myself. You hear?
I don't have any money, but I have your honey. That's alright for me. That's alright for me. I would rather be by myself than be with someone else.
What are you doing?
I'm cooking. How was your day?
My day was good.
Welcome.
But I've told you to stop cooking. I don't want you to keep cooking in this condition. Leave the cooking for me to do.
But I can cook.
No.
Besides, you've been at work all day. I figured you'd be hungry, so I thought to cook so you have food to eat when you're back.
Hungry? Yes.
Okay.
But I'm not complaining. I can do the cooking myself, okay? Do not worry.
I can.
Don't worry. I'll do the cooking myself.
Oh, but I'm well rested now.
I said don't worry. I'll do the cooking myself. You hear?
Mommy, we don't need this money. We don't need it. And the cat don't need this money. We don't need it. What is your problem? What is your problem? Your daddy gave you this money for your shopping. And you're here talking nonsense. What's this sudden attitude of yours?
Mom, it's close to a year. We have not seen our brother. And you're not doing anything about it. Oh, you want us to collect this money for a shop? You think collecting this money will make us happy? If you want us to be happy, we need our brother back. Not this money. Excuse me.
Are you okay? What is it? Hmm? What's wrong? What's wrong? The baby? The baby's coming? Okay, you hang on, eh? Don't stress yourself. Just hang on. Let me get your things. Let's rush to you. Okay? Sorry.
I love you and you love me. That's all that matters. I need you and you need me. That's all that matters. I don't care what you are. I don't care what they say. We'll survive whatever may come our way. Love is all that matters. We will make it through. Love is all that matters. Just me and you. Love is all that matters. I love you and you love me. That's all that matters. I need you and you need me. That's all that matters.
So I just a size more questions. Your wife is in the middle, okay?
Nandi, come and sit down and rest a little bit. You have been saying this since. Let them come out now. Nandi, she's giving birth to a human being, not an animal. This thing takes little time.
Doctor, congratulations, sir. Your wife just put to bed a bouncing baby boy.
For real?
Yes.
Yeah! Thank you, doctor. Thank you. How's my baby? And my wife? Good. Can I see them now? Let's go! I appreciate this little help you render me by helping me get works and jobs and all of that. I don't take it for granted. Thank you.
No problem. You did a very great job. If you were not with me, I wouldn't have finished the job alone.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. You're welcome. For asking me to come and join you is a good thing. Can I have the money now? I'm almost home.
Money? I don't have money. I don't have money here now. Can you follow me to my house? So that I will give you. I think I have 1,000 naira at home. I'll give it to you.
I thought you said the woman has paid you for the job. Why didn't you come out with the money now?
Please.
My house is just here. Now you want me to follow you all the way to your house? You know how far that distance is.
One half of my pocket. Just follow me to my house.
Hey.
I'll give it to you. My house is not far.
Kolo, this son is not funny. This is just not funny.
Don't go.
You know I have a newborn baby in the house. My wife just put to bed. I need this money. Now you want me to go all the way to your house?
I know. Just please follow me to my house.
Let's go.
Mama, so that was how I found my way. I saw it on one time. I didn't have problems with it. Would you want your daughter to give birth?
Would you want my daughter? Would you want to give birth? Hey! Let's go.
Mama. No, you did not lock your door. And you know you need to get some things.
Come and sit down. Come. I'm coming. Here.
Okay.
Mama Chisom.
Mama Chisom! Mama Chisom! Bye. Hey!
Hey, well. How are you? Thank you. I brought you some firewood.
I'm still using the ones you brought last week. I don't think I need firewood now.
No, you will need it too. On Agwagu, you can keep it in the kitchen or anywhere. You will still have need for it. Instead of you having to look for firewood now and then, just give me any amount of money you have. You know I have a newborn baby at home and I have a wife to take care of too.
I know. And I can see you're working so hard to make sure they don't lack.
Yes.
I'm coming.
Thank you. He's mad. She never disappoints.
But I have you, honey.
Hey,
that's alright for me. That's alright for me. I would rather be by myself than be with someone else. I have given you my heart, and we will never part. I love you and you love me. That's all that matters.
Manage this.
Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless you. In case you need any other thing, not just firewood. If you need me to carry anything or to work on your farm or anything, just let me know. Thank you.
Take care of them all.
Love is all that matters. We will make it through. Love is all that matters. Just me and you. Love is all that matters. I love you and you love me. That's all that matters. I need you and you need me. That's all that matters. I don't care what you are. I don't care what they say. We'll survive.
Who lives there?
Oh, Namd and his wife.
Namd?
Yes, sir. They have been living there since. I hope there's no problem, sir.
No problem.
Are you sure? Okay.
Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
No.
Who is that? What is it?
I want to see the king.
You want to see the king? What for?
You don't know me again. It's Obuago, the famous hunter.
So what are you doing in the palace?
I want to see the king.
Why?
This kind of question now. Just tell the king Obuago want to see him. He knows me.
But you can't see the king with all these things you are carrying. You have to give me so I will drop it. Okay. When you are coming back, you still take it.
No problem.
Wait. Are you sure of what you are saying?
Yes, Your Highness. I saw him with my 2 eyes. From what I confirmed from the villagers, he is now a farmer.
My son, a farmer?
Yes.
Guards!
Your Highness.
Please go and get me Ono and the other members of my cabinet. Quickly!
Yes, Your Highness.
Obuago.
Your Highness.
Thank you very much for this information. I will compensate you at the appropriate time.
Thank you, Your Highness.
You may leave.
Thank you.
What are you doing here?
Calm down. Calm down, my son, please, calm down. Calm down. We've been looking for you.
Yes.
We've been looking for you.
We've come to take you home.
Calm down. You are the crown prince of Umachi Kingdom. This place does not befit you. We have come to take you home.
Yes, sir.
Calm down.
Let's go home. Is that my grandchild?
Please, calm down. Calm down, eh?
Prince Ifatu.
Ngozi.
Yes?
My God. What are you doing here?
Ujungwa is my daughter. And I came to nurse her baby. No! No! I am not an outcast. And my daughter is not an outcast. I am from Umogene Kingdom. I ran away from the palace when I overheard the queen discussing with the doctor on the best way to terminate my pregnancy.
I'm sorry, my queen, for keeping you waiting.
That's alright.
I'm so sorry. It's positive.
How do you mean positive?
The result of the pregnancy test carried on her says she's 2 months pregnant.
2 months pregnant?
Yes, my queen. And you can come by yourself.
What? Excuse me. How could you allow yourself to get pregnant when you're serving the queen? Do you want to bring shame and disgrace to the royal household?
I'm sorry, my queen.
You're sorry? You're sorry? I can only forgive you if you tell me the person responsible for this pregnancy, or you don't have any option than to face my wrath. Speak up!
My goodness, in prison for her too.
Who? What did you say? My son?
Yes, my queen.
Make sure that you give this drug to the woman in that wood. I heard that she doesn't like taking drugs. Make sure she finishes it.
Nurse, excuse us.
I want this pregnancy terminated.
What? But my queen.
Name your price.
Excuse me. Are you looking for something? I'm waiting for the queen. Okay. Because if you want to see the doctor, you have to wait for your turn, which is at the reception.
Don't you think that the consent of the girl is needed?
A lot of power. The commoners have no say when royalty speaks. So, get to work. Mind you, I will not leave here until the work is done. She must be somewhere around. Don't come back without her. If you do, I will kill you and bury you, and no one will find you. Leave at once!
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Stupid girl. Nonsense! You want to bring shame to me? It won't work for you. whole world. It is a palace maid that you choose to impregnate. Have you forgotten that you're a prince? A royal blood? Don't you know that a royal blood and that of a commoner have nothing to do together? I am so ashamed of you.
I'm sorry, mother. It was just a mistake.
A mistake? A mistake indeed. You are a prince, and one day you're going to ascend the throne of Umachi Kingdom. I want you to know that kings don't make mistakes. What are you going to tell your wife, the future queen of this kingdom, that you impregnated a commoner? Huh. I am so ashamed of you. Ngozi! Ngozi!
My queen, I've not seen her since yesterday.
Since yesterday?
Yes, my queen.
Get out. Guards! Guards!
Yes, Your Majesty.
I want you to go and fetch Ngozi for me. Right here. Now!
Yes, Your Majesty, I will do that.
I ran to Umuoka Kingdom for safety when the guards were searching for me everywhere. My king,
yes.
I didn't want to abort your child. I gave birth to her and I called her Ujunwa. She is your daughter.
So we have been committing incest?
Abomination! Aru! They should be taken to the shrine for cleansing.
Chief Maduka, nobody is taking anybody to any shrine for any cleansing.
Excuse me, please, can you help me with your child? Please, excuse me. Thank you.
Wait,
I want to raise
going
myself.
to?
Thank you. Thank you.
But
thank you.
don't take long, okay? Hurry up.
Oh, so cute. Cute baby, right? Wow. Oh, yeah, I can do it. Okay, let's shop together, okay? Do you want this? Should I take this?
Hello, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, my dear. Please tell the lady in the restroom to please hurry up, okay? She gave me the baby to hold and take care of while she uses the restroom. Tell her that we are in a hurry and want to leave, okay? That we are done shopping.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Sorry. There. She gave me this baby. Check in there, check properly. She must be there.
Madam, no one is in the restroom. She's not there.
Anyway, we're in a hurry. I will leave the baby with you. When the mother comes, she can take it from you and...
No, I can't take care of a baby that I didn't know who that is. Moreover, my boss will sack me if he sees me taking care of a child instead of doing my job.
But my
Madam,
dear.
I suggest you wait for her outside. Thank you.
See, my dear. Honey, what did we do?
I don't know.
This baby looks like you.
You can't be serious.
See. Okay, look at the baby's eyes. Cute. Your eyes. Cute. Cute plus cute. Silly.
Can you imagine?
Oh, baby.
Wonderful. Okay, honey, what do you think this baby will eat now after now? Should we get him gari or rice?
Honey. Gari, rice. For a baby like this, this small baby. Maybe we can get him pap or custard with a little milk. That will do.
Looking at this boy, he's very hungry, so he needs such solid food.
Solid.
Exactly.
He's leaving me. I know what to do. Oh, my kitty. Oh, see, he's such a happy baby.
Sure.
A very cute and happy baby. I just wonder why the mother abandoned him. I don't understand. Hey.
I suppose peer pressure. Yes. And he's very much comfortable here.
Yeah, he is. Maybe he likes it here.
It's well. Honey,
Yeah.
Try get him something to eat.
Yeah.
Very much possible.
Can
you see?
See what happened, eh? See here? Yeah. Don't cry, okay? Don't cry, I'm back.
I want to believe you're a cause, right?
Oh, yeah, I do. Good afternoon, sir.
The mother of the baby, has she come back looking for her child?
No, and I don't think she will.
How do you mean?
Madam, this is what most young ladies do. They give away their child once they notice they can't take care of the child. This is one of their strategies. I suggest you report this to the nearest police station. Yeah.
Goodness.
How can a mother leave her child in the hands of a total stranger? I don't understand it.
Madam, this lady lost her child. Only God knows why she chose to dash with this baby. Most young ladies would rather kill the baby.
Thank you. Thank you for the advice.
It's okay.
Honey?
Yes, sir.
I know what to do. Let's go.
My friend, this is what most of the young girls do. When they give birth to a baby and they find out they cannot take care of the baby, they will just abandon the baby anywhere, anyhow. So it takes only birth, the good ones, to make sure they keep their own baby to the doorstep of one big man or the other.
Officer, it's too early. It's too early to start taking care of another person's child. We will not start having our own babies.
If you ask me, I will tell you to officially adopt the child. Because as we all know, children are the best gift one can ever get from God. I'm only advising you as a Christian and also as a father. But if you think otherwise, we can still take the baby to the motherless baby home. Excuse me. Detective Nelly, report.
What is it?
I can hear Namdi. He's crying and calling out to me. My baby. Please.
I understand. Listen, it's just a dream. Let's go back to sleep, please.
No. Honey, ever since we left that child at the motherless baby's home, I've not been myself. Please, let's go and get him and give him a great future. I can't survive another night without him. I can't.
I do understand. I miss him too. Yes, I do. I miss the feeling of being a father. That was the first time I ever felt like a father. The words of the DPO keeps ringing bell in my heart. That the gift of a child is the best gift any human can ever receive. Either from God or man. But let me ask you. If we bring in Nnamdi back to this house, what will happen to him when we start having our own children?
Thank you so much. Thank you for bringing back my happiness. Thank you for agreeing to go get my baby. Thank you so much.
Anything for you, my love. Anything.
Oh, my baby, leave your back. Honey, what shall we call him?
What do you think?
Melvin.
Melvin. No. I'm an Igbo man and the crown prince of Umachi Kingdom. I suggest we name him after my father. Nnamdi, meaning my father is alive.
Wow, that's a wonderful name. Nnamdi. Nnamdi. Nnamdi.
So, mother, that's how we came to have the baby. As I'm talking to you now, the boy is in my house with my wife.
Guinea! You mean you brought that child into your house? Why would you do that? What if something happens to that child in your house? Or maybe the real parents of the child coming to look for the baby and accuse you of stealing their child? Eh?
Yes, that's true. Mother.
Are you mad?
No, what I'm saying is that we've reported this to the police and we've done everything possible.
That's not enough!
So, what do you advise we do?
Well, you're mature enough to take your decisions. But if you ask for my own opinion, I will suggest you take the baby back to the motherless baby home. If you want to see him, then you go and see him there. And not bringing him back to your house. No.
Okay, I've had you, ma. We'll see what to do about it. You are happy.
You see, Nnamdi here is not my biological son. I took him and loved him the way I love my children. Ebuka is my first biological son. Ujunwa happens to be my first biological daughter, followed by Princess Ifoma. So these are my 3 biological children. Have you not seen that there's no need for you to take anybody to any shrine for any cleansing? Have you seen it?
It all started from the ancestors. The 7 sons of Agba started maltreating Oka, the youngest, after the death of their parents. They took all his lands, and the eldest wanted to take his wife he loved so much. That made him to run to the shrine of Ukwaju for protection, and he reached an agreement with the shrine of Ukwaju that if he should protect him and his entire generation would serve him. The brothers stayed away from him and said he belonged to shrine of Ukwaju, and the rest of the communities started avoiding him and called him an Osu, an outcast.
My elders, Igwe. We have heard him.
Yes.
But let me ask one question. Is it an offense for somebody who feels threatened to run to an individual or a community or an organization for protection? Is it wrong?
No, I don't think it's not wrong.
Fine, my God. Since it is not an offense, I don't think there's any need for this also system to exist, especially in this our community. So I hereby decree and declare that in Umachi Kingdom, henceforth, nobody should address any other person in this community as Osu, that is outcast. Are we in agreement?
Yes.
Are we in agreement?
Yes, Igwe.
The Osu caste system stands abolished in Umachi Kingdom.
Igwe.
Oh no.
Igwe.
You will detail the town crier to go round and pass this information that everybody, man, woman, old, young, should gather at the market square on a K day, so that we harmonize this and inform every other person.
Igwe, consider it done.
Thank you very much. Ezemo, we thank you very much. We thank
Igwe.
you. Eh?
That's another reason and maybe to be here. This throne has been dwelling on falsehood. Falsehood in the sense that you presented a wrong crown prince. The gods said I should tell you that no matter what has happened, the land has to be appeased to avoid calamities. Igwe, that's a message from the gods.
More incident should occur so that secret will be revealed in this community. Mazokura, there you are. Who would have known that Prince Nand is not the heir apparent? And we would have made the mistake of our lifetime by crowning him the king when the father is no more. Ichie, if you ask me, Prince Ebuka should go and look for his own outcast, so there will be more secret revealed in this community. There you are. I suspect that the king has more secrets packed with him. He has not revealed all of them.
Get to the mechanic workshop. Make sure you are there when the mechanic will be fixing the brake pad. Did you get it?
Yes, Your Highness.
Don't just go and start drinking, oh, and make sure you come back on time. Okay.
Thank you, my queen.
Two months. A whole 2 months. Well. There's no point kneeling down there, crying, begging, asking me for forgiveness. No. You have served this palace very well. But the fact remains that you can't continue to serve the palace in this condition. You have to go to your husband's house and live with him. I can help in any way at all. I can help your husband even pay your dowry if he's not up to do that. I can do it for you. You can't serve us like this.
She is in her husband's house. And her husband is rich enough to pay her bride price. Dad, Mom, I am responsible for her pregnancy. And with your permissions, I would love to make Ogi here my wife. Daddy, please. I love Ogi so much. I know she's a nobody. But with your name, we can make this nobody a somebody. Please, Dad. Mom.
Thank you very much. I hear you. Oh no.
Igwe.
My elders.
Igwe.
I greet you all.
We greet you also.
My Lolo and members of my royal family. I greet you too.
Thank you.
Because you are the first. Yes, we have had a very great occasion outside where my son, the crown prince of Umachi Kingdom, Ebuka, took a wife. We may have given him blessings there, but this is in-house. Therefore, Ebuka, please, can you, with your wife, step forward? Elder. I have the authority from my elders. Also the authorities from my forefathers. Because as the king and the custodian of tradition and culture of Umachi Kingdom, I have the right to bless you. Eke will be obedient to you. Odio, Afo, Nkwo, all will be obedient to you. And this football game that you have scored a goal, the result shall be twins. Ebuka, there is one important thing. Your father is a great man, a great king. When I must have joined my ancestors, you would sit on this throne. This family must remain one. Your brother, Nnamdi, must be regarded at all times as your blood brother. Do you promise that?
I promise that, Dad.
Good. You'll be greater than your father. My ancestors will guide you in everything you do, and it shall be well. Oh, no.
Igwe.
Am I in order?
You are in order, Igwe.
Thank you. Thank you. It shall be well.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Mom.
You can go back to your seat. All right. We still have a lot of things to eat and drink. So relax. Igwe is alive.
I don't have any money, but I have your honey. That's alright for me. That's alright for me. I would rather be by myself than be with someone else. I have given you my heart, and we will never part. I love you and you love me. That's all that matters. I need you and you need me. That's all that matters. I don't care what you are. I don't care what they say. We'll survive whatever may come our way. Love is all that matters. We will make it through. Love is all that matters. Just me and you. Love is all that matters. I love you and you love me. That's all that matters. I need you and you need me. That's all that matters. I don't care what you are. I don't care what they say. We'll survive whatever may come our way. Love is all that matters. We will make it through. Love is all that matters. Just me and you. Love is all that matters. Love is all that matters. I don't have any money, but I have your honey. That's all